Let's manipulate some arrays. We already know that we can set the arrays up to initialize them like this, for example. No problem. We know about this. We're using regular elements, and we're also using keys. Keep in mind, even if we use keys, we can still reference these differently. So I'll show you that as we move forward. But in this particular video, we're going to talk more about how to change arrays after they've been set up and how we can sort the values in the buckets without having any problems. You can see this is how this page would look with all these little PHP snippets inside. Set up very nice and easy. And if we look at the sample here, you can see that the first table here is outputting 0 to 9, 10 elements, and you can see that they're not in numeric order. And that last one wasn't in place because we didn't actually set a value here. We could do that. It can be in quotes because we can interchange the two. Note that when you use character data in between the numbers, for example, it no longer becomes a number, so you can't convert it and use it in addition or something like that. But you can interchange it if it's numeric data. You can make it a string or a number, and it doesn't matter. We know that from the types, the introduction videos on working with different data types. So now we have it set at 11. But when you don't set it, it's actually going to be the empty string. No value. Just like that. Initializing it to nothing. Or you can just use it. Alright, so let's move further down. And you can see that we can actually change things just like any other variable. A normal variable would look like that. But an array needs to specify which element or key we're actually going to reference. And then you see $AR_values of 4 in brackets is equal to 999. That changes that value to 999. And then 7 could be changed to 998 in quotes. Just like I said, you can interchange. And 9 would then have a value of 997. So if we look, and this second one is representing that, 0 to 9, you see we have effectively changed these three values. Very easy to do that. Very easy. And use that as you want to. We'll see how to unset things and really do some great and fantastic things with arrays. Now we have the ability to sort as well. As you can see, we go from 0 to 9, and we've sorted this. So now it's in numeric order. But what happens with that is that now the numbers were just shuffled around. The keys remain the same, or the elements here actually remain the same, 0 through 9. But now the numbers have changed. So the assignment